In a globalized and changing world, like the one we live in today, our horizon keeps expanding. Future is a promise of growth and evolution that is only possible because we, the company, and all our stakeholders do it together. Grupo de Inversiones Suramericana, Grupo Sura, is a multi-Latin holding company with over 67 years of experience in the market. Our investments have made us the #1 organization for pension funds in Latin America and one of the most important for wealth management and insurance. These sectors are precisely the ones on which we focus our strategic interest. We also have portfolio investments in the food, cement, and energy sectors. Ours has been a story of constant growth, which has allowed us to broaden the frontiers of our organization. In 1945, our shares were listed in the Colombian Stock Exchange. Today, we also make an appearance in the international markets through the ADR Level 1 program in the United States and through Latibex, the market for Latin American stocks in the Madrid Stock Exchange. In this way, we are closer to our international investors. Our growth is supported by strong results. During the period from 2000 to 2010, our ordinary shares price has increased its price by 31 times. On the other hand, our equity has grown by 37 times during the same time period. We always seek to invest in solid companies, leaders in their sectors, and with growth potential. Companies that are socially aware and committed to the development of their stakeholders and their environment. Companies committed to its employees with fair working conditions, in compliance with the best corporate government codes. We are committed to sustainable management, supported by principles of transparency, respect, accountability, and fairness. As a result of this commitment, we have been included in the Dow Jones Sustainability Index, which only allows for 342 companies in the world, singled out for having the best practices in economic, social, and environmental matters. We believe in the leadership of a continent that is growing, and that is why we aim to consolidate ourselves as an organization with important strategic investments in the region. In 2011, Grupo Sura closed the deal on the acquisition of the pension fund, insurance, and wealth management operations for ING in 5 Latin American countries, consolidating itself as the leading organization for pension funds in Latin America, and being this the largest transaction made in the region by a Latin American company. Today, the companies that are part of our strategic investments have over $120 billion in assets under management and have up to 25 million clients. Through our investments in 8 Latin American countries, we keep consolidating our leadership in the region, as well as in the search for new opportunities. These opportunities will allow us to advance in our expansion plans, adding value to our investments and in the best interest of our clients and shareholders. This is Grupo Sura, the multi-Latin organization, leader in pension funds and specialized in insurance and investments. Grupo Sura.